Hi there. I wanted to get out this week's announcement a little bit early because I've got a couple of things I wanted to just make you aware of before the week gets started. So first of all, we are on our last week of the unit, so whatever question you have not answered yet should be the question that you are focusing on this week. We're back to one chapter this week, so just one artifact analysis. Make sure that you are reading over the feedback that I'm giving you. Some of you are making some great progress, and some of you I'm not sure that you're reading the feedback that I'm giving. So please make sure that you're doing that and then reach out to let me know if you have any questions about what I'm looking for. If it seems confusing, I'm happy to clarify. Also, due to some unforeseen additional meetings, I need to change office hours from Fridays to Tuesdays. So starting on Tuesday, office hours will be from 10 to 11 a.m. The Zoom link will be the same though. You can find that in the syllabus. Speaking of that, I have put in this announcement a poll. If you can get that filled out with times that work for you over the next couple of days, and if you can get that done before the end of the day on Monday, then I can send out a Zoom link for a virtual listening session where we can listen together to the music that's in the classical music playlist. And you can use that chance to ask any questions about the music. We can have conversations in the chat while we're listening about things to be paying attention to. I know that music is probably one of the hardest of the topics of this class, so I definitely want to provide some additional support in that. So if you can get that filled out, I can tomorrow night or Tuesday morning send out an email with the time that seems to work the best for everybody. And we can get that set up. I've also put in this announcement a link to a document that has the 5 different periods that we'll be looking at. So Baroque, Classical, Romantic, Impressionist, and Modern, and then our 5 different cultural genres. So architecture, philosophy, literature, art, and music. And if you want to use that to start jotting down some notes about the similarities that you're seeing in the different styles that we're looking at. So Rococo to Baroque, those different types of things, feel free to start to jot that information down. If you'd like to just do this on your own, you can save the document to your own computer, or if you want to do it almost kind of like a wiki, like a Wikipedia type thing where everyone's providing information and sharing information, you're welcome to then type directly into the document. You all should have edit capabilities with that. So I've included the link in the bottom of this announcement as well. So we're about a quarter of the way through the semester right now as we're heading into week 5. So if you need to chat about where you're at, how you're doing, the progress that you're making, where we're headed in the next couple of weeks, feel free to send me an email, ask a question and ask the instructor form on a Blackboard, or come to those virtual office hours. Any questions, let me know. Have a great Sunday. For those of you who are in the Treasure Valley area, I hope you have a chance to enjoy some of the snow out there. And I look forward to seeing your assignments this upcoming week. Have a good one.